Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and record for assignment 602. So essentially what I did was, so basically the code is pretty long, but the main part is here. Mostly this is just a basic crawler, the one that we did using the slides. So we go through it recursively. And though basically we also add the depth. So here in the input, we're going to ask the user. So let's say I want depth of, let's just say 5, keep it small. It's going to go through it, and then it's going to print out all the numbers here as the dictionary. So it's going to do this by going into crawler. It's going to crawl all the way recursively, and we're going to return once we hit the depth, and that's why there are all these if statements. I did this very brute way, that's why there's so many if statements. There's probably a much cleaner way to do it, but it's the way that I ended up getting to work. And then in terms of the handle data, or the HTML parser class, I initialized it, adding both the initializer of the super, so we can access things from HTML parser, as well as URL links and day list. And we're going to see this day list be used. I ended up using for the start tags, I limited to anchor and list, because I believe those are the only places where I have actual links. And so basically it goes through it. If there's an href in the beginning and an ESPX, so we sift through the pages, it's going to add all those links. And if it's not, so we're just going to, if it's not an anchor or a list, then it's just going to go ahead and set data to just nothing. And then for handle data, we're just going to go ahead and we are going to grab the data, split the data, check if it's an alphabet, and then add it to our dictionary, which you can see right here. And if it's not in there, we're just going to set equal to 1. And if it is in there, we're just going to, since it's already there, we're just going to add 1 to the key, or sorry, the value. So this is the way I counted the words. And then in terms of restricting the page, so after analyzing all of it, you can see right here that I have link checker. So link checker is going to go through here. So if link not visited and link checker, we're going to check the link first, make sure it has CDM within the link. And if it does, then we can go through. And if not, then it's going to go false. And so we basically do that and we return.